everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Chevrolet SS big block 4-speed convertible car. Very cool car, guys. I originally sold this car, I think it was like 7 years ago, to a gentleman here who's had it ever since. Just bought it back. He said him and his son have really enjoyed this car. Matter of fact, he told my son Nathan, make sure it goes to a good home, because they really enjoyed the car, but it was just time to move on, they said. But I bought this car originally, it was like 7-8 years ago down in Florida. Guy I bought it from had owned it since 1985. This has got to be a 12 going on 13-year-old frame-off restoration. It's got 6,300 miles on the resto. Again, very cool car, good solid straight body. It's finished in torch red. It's got the black convertible top, the black interior. Not an original car when I say that. He said it was an original SS. Of course, you guys that have called or watched my videos, you'll get my speech. Without a build sheet, matching numbers, or a window sticker, they're all SS's. You know, you can't prove these cars through the VIN. So without paperwork, I don't guarantee any of these cars to be SS's. But he said it had a big, it was a factory big block car when he started. Of course, it does have all the SS trim. A couple little touch-up marks I noticed, but really a nice car. Hits the road good. Like the 4-speed and the convertible, you don't see that a whole lot. Again, pretty paint, not a whole lot to nitpick in that. I saw a couple little touch-up marks. But again, the guy originally bought it from, he did a frame-off restoration on this car, and you can look at it, the frame's got all new bushings on it and everything like that. It's a good car. And manual top, goes down nice and easy. Replace the top. It's got the glass rear window. Paint is very, very nice. And again, this paint is 12, 13 years old, and it is slick. You can see, put new bumpers on it. Chrome and stainless is nice. Good straight car. Now, when I sold it, it had red lines on it. So those are actually newer BF Goodrich Radial TAs. It's got the SS rallies on it. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. You can see it's got the chrome tips. But good looking car. In really the same car as when I sold it. Originally bought it and sold it. Yeah, it's got the one question mark I have on this car. It's actually got a 10-bolt rear end, but he said he actually put that in it. The original 12-bolt was blown. This is actually 4-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. But SS's would have had 12 bolts in them. That was the one thing I questioned him on it originally. Again, there's no paperwork, so there's no way to prove this car anyways. Again, originally, they would have had a 396 in them. This is a 454 car, Muncie 4-speed, Edelbrock Performance dual-feed 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock Performer intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It does have the HEI distributor, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Chevelle convertibles are tough, man. They are hard to find. And they made 1 million of them, so they shouldn't be. It's just a little dirt if you see that, guys. Again, when the resto was done, the top was replaced. We do have the boot for it. got the dual chrome mirrors. I saw a new door handles. There is a, yeah, you can see the little touch-up mark there on the door. New door rubbers. Door skins are clean. I believe you said you replaced all the interior. New carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter. Interior's nice. Again, it is a manual top. It's in real good shape. Steering wheel's really nice. Factory dash. 6334 on the odometer now. It's got a Autosounds radio in it. Blower motor works. The original owner's manuals are in the glove box there. It is Flowmasters, again, 10 bolt, 373 limited slip rear end. A little dust. I know guys are getting frustrated, guys. I know that we've sold about 4 cars here that never made it to Michigan. I know that gets guys upset, but it just is what it is, guys. Factory jack spare. There's the boot. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. It just, I can't even get them here right now, and the boys are selling them. So I will tell you, if you call and you want extra, and you want pictures, if they're here, the guys will send them to you. So you can call. It's just a video. I know a lot of guys want to wait for the videos because they like all these cars. They're nothing but opinions, guys. And I think I've been doing this long enough and sold enough of these things. I think people do respect my opinion on these cars, and that's really all they are. But I know guys want to wait till I do my video, and that gets them really frustrated when the cars get sold. But I'm not going to buy a piece of junk, and I think people know that. So when you've been around since '78, I think that that's why a lot of the guys don't wait for the videos. Seats look good. New dash pad. Gauges are nice and clean. Again, that steering wheel's nice. I don't see any cracks in it. Console's nice. Does look like it's got all the correct seat belts in it too. The rears look like they're stuffed down there, but they are in there. I remember right, this thing's supposed to have close to 400 horse in it. Little cam to it. Nothing crazy though. Definitely something you can cruise. Not much for gauges. Fuel gauge works. Everything else is on a light. Parking brake works. Great sound. Radio works. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us.